Today I'm going to show you exactly how to split an audio track into smaller segments using VLC Media Player. If you've ever wanted to extract just part of a podcast, save your favorite moment from a song, or break up a long audio recording into bite-sized clips, this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to trim and save segments of any audio file using VLC's built-in recording feature. Let's dive right in. First, launch VLC Media Player and open up the audio file you want to work with. Just click Media at the top left, then Open File, navigate to your audio file and hit Open. VLC isn't just great for videos, it's surprisingly handy for audio editing tasks like this. Next, we want to enable the advanced controls in VLC, which gives you access to some extra buttons, including the all-important red record button. So go up to the top menu and click on View. From here, select Advanced Controls. You'll notice a new row of buttons appears just above your usual play controls. They're a little smaller, but easy to spot. The red circle is what we'll use to record segments of our track. Now, before we start recording, move the playback slider to the exact spot you'd like your trimmed segment to begin. You can either drag it slowly or click through with the forward and back arrows for extra precision. Take your time here. The accuracy of this step determines where your split will start. If you're not sure, you can always replay and adjust until it's just right. Think of it as setting the starting line for your clip. Once you've got your start point, go ahead and click that red record button. VLC is now quietly capturing everything that plays from this moment onward. Let the audio play naturally, or if you know the timestamps, you can manually seek to the end point. You're in control. When you reach the end of the segment you want to keep, click the red record button again. VLC will stop recording and automatically save this trimmed audio as a new file. By default, it'll appear in your Music or Videos folder, whichever is set as your default save location. A quick tip: if you're not sure where VLC saves files, do a fast search in your user folders for VLC record to track it down. If you want to split out more segments from the same audio file, just repeat this process. Set the playback slider at your new starting point, hit record and play, or seek to the new endpoint. Each time, VLC will save a separate trimmed piece. This is really helpful if you're breaking up a long recording, say a lecture or audiobook, into chapters or individual tracks. One thing to keep in mind: VLC's recording approach is simple and works well for basic splits, but it's not ultra-precise. If you need frame-perfect editing, volume adjustments, or want to crossfade tracks, you might want to look at dedicated audio editing software like Audacity. Still, for quick trimming and segmenting, VLC is a super accessible choice, and you don't have to install anything new. That's all there is to it. Splitting audio tracks in VLC can be quick and painless once you know where to find the right controls. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, and if you've got any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.